Hi, and welcome back to the lab. Well, sort of. You probably saw the lack of my videos recently, and this is due to my move. So I had to improvise this setup. I went sadistic style on the bed. Sorry, I don't have fancy pinning mats or something, so I'm using this tray. Camera might be shaky because it's all, as I said, improvised, but please bear with me. I'm still in the process of move, so hopefully my new setup will be up and running soon enough. But I have to make this video because it's way overdue. And this is some stuff I received recently. Well, not so recent, some. First thing is from Krolama. He hooked me up with these awesome stickers. I have some to share around also. He gave me this nice dimple dome to play with, and also he hooked me up with this. This is practically Altoids tin and pinning mat for on to go. But that's not all. Here I present you his first challenge lock. I still haven't played with it. This is the bidding, and it works perfectly. So I'm very happy to have this. And Stu, this is kittens. I know Stu will like it. This is the Titan, just a regular Titan. And I still haven't unboxed my picking tools, but the first thing I'll try to play with this. So, if you don't know him, haven't seen his channel, go check him out. He has some awesome stuff. He's doing his custom picks, and as I said, first challenge lock. And what a nice presentation box. So that out of the way, I have one more huge giant pack from the man himself, Lockpicking Junkie. This pack was traveling from Canada to me for 8 weeks. Guys, I've been waiting for this for 8 weeks. Inside there is tons of goodies, and I hope he didn't forget to send some locks from Loki as well. So let's try to open it. I really don't know what he sent. I know LJ is always going on and beyond. So let's see what we can expect here. Oh, come on. Yes. Ooh, it's all nicely and tightly packed. So I'll just put it aside and take out stuff. Oh my god, it's the famous purple and green rings. Awesome, Junkie. Wow, I always wanted those. Look at those colors. Let me take them out. I knew they were awesome, but look at this. Nice. And the bidding. Okay, interesting. And yeah, this one should be probably most rakeable. Love it. I'll just put it here. Ooh, pack lock. Nice. One 1100 series. Nice wide open keyway. Looking forward to open this. And also, I still haven't unboxed any of my locks as well, so I'm just putting this as a reference that I'm still a lock picker. Okay, let's see what's this. Okay, try not to hit the camera. And guys, this weighs a lot. He probably paid tons for the shipping. First is tiny master, which is the model. I am not sure. Nice. For mini lock Monday. Okay. Next is, I'm not sure for the brand, made in Taiwan. And this is the bidding. Is it 4 pin? 1, 2, 3 or 4 pins? Well, we'll have to see. I know that he loves tiny locks as well. Okay. Next, this is, come on, focus. Not sure about the brand, but it is TSA 007. Is this the lock for this? The key, yep. 2, 3 pins. 3 pinner probably. Nice. And let's open M&S. Nice. Sturdy, heavy. Probably. Yes, this is the key. Nice pop. I forgot this. Wow. Sorry, I'm a bit off camera. Nice looking padlock here. Camel 20. Feels like aluminum. Cool. First of this type. I'll put it here for the mini lock Monday. This is for something American. Oh, this is for, is it for his? Oh yes, nice. Let's see the bidding. Ooh, some highs and some lows. Okay, I'll enjoy this one. And what's pack lock? Oh, this may be a spoiler for what's coming next. What's this? Is it a regular lock or it's nicely packed? Let's see. No markings. It may be just a normal lock. I know that he sent some challenge locks as well. So 6 pins. Smooth, nice. I really don't have much of those type that I need a special tool for removing this back. So I'm glad I'm adding this to my collection. Okay, I can already see this will be a long video, so bear with me. Oh, this is it. This is golden pack lock. Check it out. 98 Pro. Awesome. I know he sent me because I said I wanted to have my own patch. And okay, you need to be smarter than the lock you're trying to open. And this is the bidding. Yeah, he didn't make it easy on me, right? I really am happy to have this and actually excited to try to open it. Okay, and we are probably in the region of challenge locks. I also have to mention, I'm really not sure, lock, if you are looking, some of those stuff may be yours. So as I said, these are both from Lock Junkie and Locky. Tampers bite me. Okay, let's see the bidding. What? Is this a blank? Oh, this may be for the impressioning. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Okay, this is the tamper. And I'm not sure if this is a YouTuber or not. I'll just try. Seriously? Okay, I've never seen a key like this. But it works so smoothly. Okay, this will be interesting to pick. I'll just put it here. And this is also small. Okay, are you mad? Oh, from Left Hand Loki. Yes, finally. Nice. Oh, this will be an interesting pick, I already see. Okay, what's next? And guys, we are not even halfway full. Oh, awesome. I will just open it like this. Okay, random Jim. I have his poker already somewhere. John Holistic. Nice. Lock Junkie. Finally, your eyes in my hands. Otter Arms. Yeah. And I believe Otter engraved a lock for me. Love the black and red. This is the Lockpicking 1969. Nice. If you haven't seen his channel, he's making podcasts and interviewing a lot of lockpickers as well. Oh, and this is another Lock Junkie. Let me see. Yeah, these are maybe ceramic. I'm not sure. These feel quite heavy. Nice. I'll put it here. And he hooked me up with tons of stickers. I really love stickers, so let's go through them and see if I can recognize any of those. And the first thing, I really don't know this one. Lockpicking therapy. Oh, lockpicking therapy. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't recognize the sticker. Yeah, I know this, the lockpicking something. Forgot. Lockpicking tools, okay. Lockpickers United, nice small sticker. Oh, this is... I know he sent his dogs. This is Lock Junkie's dog, and I'm not sure who has these small dogs. Not sure about this bear. This is the great otter in the sky. Oh yeah, he sent me some nice pins. Boy, if they are custom made, they are polished nicely. Sorry, you can see this. Come on, focus. Look at the details on it. Wow, awesome. Lockpickers United. Lock Breaking Kid. He's an also nice. He has a nice video about advent calendar or something like that, where he opens a new bag of locks. So fun to watch. Lockpicker 1969. Oh, Keybeard. And awesome creepy doll. love it. Salt Poppy, my man, how are you? That's Thinking Bird, how do you call it? Was it? Not sure. Lock Lab. Oh, that guy is missed. Bosnian Bill, yeah. Bosnian is a neighboring country to mine, so Lock Lab and Lockpickers United, Lock Junkie and his infamous skull. Oh, he sent me tons of those. This is another one from Random Jim and his leather. Hilger's Lego. And I'm not sure about those dogs. I really need to find out. And this is Willow and Bear stickers. These are going on my toolbox for sure. Look at those nice faces. Is this the Kraken? Not sure. I've seen this one. I don't know who it is. Killer Maru. Nice. He did pics for the sparrows. Another Long Junkie. Adam. This guy is awesome. He was probably the first one who commented and liked my videos, and he's been absent for some time now due to personal reasons. And Adam, if you are seeing this, we wish you all to come back. The IT guy, is it? Yeah, Adam Harris. Lockpickers United and Random Jim. Look at this sparkly. I have some of his stuff, and his leatherwork is really awesome. Love it. Okay. I already had this one of flying gliders, and I said that I need to open this and make them, and I have, but I still haven't got to it. And this is the Spitfire. I need to check which ones I have already. Love it. Love the idea. Okay, another lock. Q&D, top security. Oh, it's a dimple one. Nice. And as you can see, all the locks are used. Oh, it's a smiley. Nice. I was always wondering, wanting to have this smiley type, but the Chinese ones that you can buy here locally is so freaking expensive. I'm not willing to pay €5 for a lock that's probably broken from the start. Hard case survival. What's this? Turning tools. Is it from Southward? I know he sent something. Oh, nice polish. And look at the teeth. And these are different thicknesses, probably. Yeah, you can see. Nice top of the keyway. Oh, I love that. It's in a portable case, so cool. Thanks, LJ. More locks to come. Oh, this is John Holistics challenge lock. Look at this. Nice. I love the I love these keyways. I'm very good at opening these. I believe this. Where is it? The Titan has the same keyway. Yeah, similar, just more opened. Yeah. Okay, so bunch of challenge locks for me. Yeah, unfortunately, I will not do any opals. As I said, my tools are still somewhere buried. Oh, so you need to know why he sent me rocks. These are the rocks for my friend. Oh, look at these gems. Awesome, LJ. Seriously, wow. Look at those gems. No way you pick them on the beach somewhere. Yeah. So my friend sent LJ, gave me the lock, so which I sent to LJ, that LZ that has a narrow body. slimmed body, and LJ is sending him in return as a thank you some gems from Canada. So thanks, LJ. This is an awesome bunch of rocks. Yeah. Okay. Oh, why does John's Holistics was outside somehow? More turning tools. Excellent. Oh, and these are color coded. I love color coding. Nice. Oh, and it's also slimmed profile inside. Yeah, I believe these are southwards. I need to check who makes those. Okay, let's leave this big for aside. These should be, yeah, nice leather case. You just do the sniff test. The genuine leather. Nice. I should probably do comparison between the multi-pick one and this. Okay. Oh, I know. What's this? Yeah. So look at this. This is the level of attention the lock junkie is willing to go for his buddies. Okay. Anarchy on Metalworks. This is metal. Nice metal card. Nice sticker. Love this. Canada and the gears. And guys, check this out. It has my custom logo engraved. If I can just take it out of the box. This is from Anarchy 1. And Lock Junkie was so nice to put my old logo inside. Bear with me, this was over 10 weeks ago, so yeah. And let's see this in action. He knows that I love cutaways, so look at this. Look at this gem. And this is American 100. It's the same as this one. 1100 cm, sorry. Love it. This will help me for sure for when I try to pick it open. Oh, that spring is nasty. Oh, you need to overcome this. Wow. Love it. LJ, thanks for this. Oh, you are awesome, man. So freaking awesome. Oh, and the bidding. Yeah, nice bidding as well. Okay, I'll just leave it open here. Guys, I'm literally out of space and we are still not there. Okay, let's see. Oh, so as I said, it was shipped 8 weeks from a different continent. It got a little damaged. So finally I know why this is here. So Zodiac 623. What? 623.24. I need to decipher this probably. From John's Holistic. Oh, and this is color changing filament. Nice. Love this texture. It got a bit beaten. Nothing that I cannot fix. And let's see the key because, oh, he tried to hide it. Okay, we'll see the key when I open it. So, nice, 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 nice. I love the how he put his name on it. Okay. I see another leather one. Oh, oh, I love this even more. And it came with stuff. Now I really don't have any excuses. I have tension tools, I have picks. Yeah. City rig. Nice. Deep hook, small diamond, half diamond, and this is, I would be wave rake. Let's see the burrs. Seems nice enough. Cool. Thanks, LJ. You really did outdo all my expectations. And let's just see, there's no any loose stuff inside. The last thing is here. Let's open this. Oh my god. Ah, lock Junkie. Yes, the best for the last. So, this is his challenge lock he made especially for me, the LOC, the London, Ontario, Canada, where he is from. And look at this engraving, guys. This was done by Otter. Look at this. Nice. So this lock has went tons of hands before it came to me. So let's see the key. I am a bit old, so I can easily forget things. And his third challenge lock. Let's try. Smooth as a butter. I know he said that he will not make it too difficult to me, but still not an easy one. So I'm very eager to open this. Yeah, LJ, you are awesome, man. You gave me more and more than I could even hope for. And as you can see, guys, it's filled to the brim. Look at this. Look at all those stuff. It was like, I don't know, 2 kilos for the pack. Hope you like this. Thanks again, Lock Junkie. Thanks again, Lockpicking. Llama. Sorry, Crow Llama. I'm always saying that he's like lockpicking lawyer from Croatia. Where is his sticker? Here it is. Thanks Otter, and thanks Left Hand Loki. These are all awesome stuff, guys. It was weight of worth it was really worth waiting for this stuff to come. I'm very hopeful that I will open this, and I really don't have any words how much LJ spent on this, and he really didn't have to. So thanks again, LJ. I will put this to my poker collection. Now I have quite a lot. Maybe I'll do some tricks like Stu does. Hope you like this, and I hope the next one will be me open something of this. See you on the next one. Bye, guys. So I really don't have an excuse now that I have both turning tools and picks. So let's try to open, I don't know, this master. Let's see this. Will this fit in? Okay, a bit snaggy. I'll probably work. And let's try to use my favorite city brick to open it. Okay. Just like that. Nice. Okay. Maybe this TSA one as well. Not sure if it will be, if this rake will be able, but let's see. Let me see. Too thick, I need a thinner one. Of course. Always have plenty of turning tools. Okay. Come on. maybe it is a bit narrow inside. Maybe this rake is not the optimal one because, let's see. Okay, here it is. Nice. I will SPP them in Monday. So tools are working fine, nicely. Thanks, LJ. Love it. I really do love it. So I wanted to try another lock. Maybe this smiley one. Can I pick it with this half diamond, small half diamond? Let's see how to tension this with this. Can I put this one in a bit too thick? Let's see if this one does the job. Okay, nice. And let's see if I can do this. Ha! Nice. And this is, by the way, first time using half diamond. Loved. Okay. See you in the next one.